Hello, this is Thumbnail Master Review. Everybody knows about YouTube, Snapchat, Vimeo and Facebook. These are well-known sites where you can upload and share videos, which almost everybody are doing every day. And for those of you who are going into the exploration of money making online, perhaps building your digital marketing career, you should know by now how relevant and powerful a video is as a marketing tool. The first thing people see in your video is your thumbnail. If they see it as attractive, your videos will not be put to waste. But it can be hard to create attention-grabbing thumbnails because you have to be an experienced designer or hire one, and that will be expensive. But don't worry, Thumbnail Blaster can help you. But what is Thumbnail Blaster? Thumbnail Blaster is an online editing app that can help you create breathtaking thumbnails in as little as 3 clicks. It is a thumbnail creation software that can triple your traffic and can give you the views you deserve to dominate the marketing and the sales that you have been hoping to achieve without even uploading a video. This means you will have more views and traffic without any design skills. This is the fastest and easiest software for breathtaking thumbnails, which can help you generate more sales. The newest software that can drive 100% free video traffic and increase your video exposure by 5%, and more marketers are using Thumbnail Blaster to step up their game. How does Thumbnail Blaster work? Thumbnail Blaster will turn your scrollers into viewers and your leads into your clients with just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Select a template from over 100 attention-grabbing designs across various niches, or you can let the software choose it for you. All templates have been tried and tested and were proven to get highest click-through rate for your video campaigns. Step 2. Click Edit and customize according to your liking. Just drag and drop and edit it at your heart's content. You can resize, change the text and fonts and other elements. You don't even need technical skills to do it. Can't you do it on your own? Let the software do it for you. Step 3. Publish and get traffic. Your new breathtaking video thumbnail will surely get you more views, traffic and exposure with just one click. This is the oldest #1 thumbnail creation software that can help you create breathtaking thumbnails that can triple your traffic and leads with just 3 clicks. So what you are waiting for?